Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Regions Bank online, secure method step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Regions Bank, www.regions.com. Once the website loads, look for the login button on the upper right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. A drop-down menu will appear with different login options. Select Personal Banking from the drop-down. You will be directed to the login page. In the username field, enter your registered username. Next, move to the password field. Enter your password associated with your account. Ensure that you check for any typos in your username and password. If you want the system to remember your credentials, check the Remember Username option. After entering your information, click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Regions Bank account dashboard. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the Forgot Username Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your login information securely. To enhance security, consider enabling two-factor authentication if you haven't done so already. Always remember to log out after completing your banking session. This will help protect your account from unauthorized access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step